talking in one of our threads lesson in the Machine Embroidery 101 course about ways that you can buy threads for the best price. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we have tons of online courses that can help you master your sewing machine, embroidery machine, and we have a lot of free videos to help you master your serger as well. So from Oklahoma Embroidery, they have always had something that most people don't realize they have. So I wanted to show you what it looks like. Is the top 30, top 60, or top 90 Isacord thread colors. Now we are a fan of the Isacord thread. It's just a flawless thread. It's polyester. It runs well in the higher, faster run embroidery machines. It just works. And it's not one of those stretchy threads that we sometimes talk about. So sometimes as a new embroiderer, you just want a box of crayons, you know, kind of like when you were in grade school. You know, some of us got a box of 12 crayons, some of us got 24, and then some of us got the big pack of the 64 box of crayons with the sharpener in the back. That was always my goal, to have that particular one, and it was always a treat when I got a new box. But that's what these are like, is getting a box of crayons so you have all the colors. Well, not all of them, but you have a good collection to get you started. Now, our top 31, you notice this box is empty because we sell that one a lot at the store, and currently we sold the last one. But you can actually buy boxes that are empty and then fill them with your own colors too. And I do like these boxes because they have the little, they almost have like little nubs on the bottom and little dimples on the top, because as you buy more, they will stack and stay nicely in formation here. So if you do have Isacord thread colors or a similar spool shape and looking for a box, this is actually a great idea. So this is just a good way to buy thread. We do have links in our resource page for you to get these on the website and shipped to you. We do get credit for your purchase if you click on these links. But if you just don't want to guess which threads you need to get started with, this is what I'm talking about. So they do have a list of all the colors so you know what you're getting, and then you get the boxes as part of the collection, and that's always awesome. So if you're looking for a great way to get started, don't want to have to think about or pick out colors, this would be what we recommend. And again, if you want to check out any of our courses, we'll put links below in this YouTube video description so you can check them out. We always have free videos that you can watch and see if our courses are right for you. So head over, check out all the great options. We've got stabilizer packs with free designs. We've got all sorts of things that we recommend, but sometimes people don't know they exist, so that's what these links are going to help you with. All right, everybody, happy embroidering, everybody. Go get yourself some new thread collections and treat yourself to something awesome for you and your embroidery machine.